If you paid attention, you will know that the reference channel has a kind of fire filter going on their video, and they also have sound effects of a fireplace going on in the background. You can also have like sound effects of flies that would illustrate kind of the feeling of being in a very dirty area or dirty scenery, to kind of elevate the viewer experience. And this, like, sound effects is a very integral part of your content. If your sound design is not on point, then the whole experience watching your video will be kind of degraded. If we just play this now for a little bit more and just purely listen to the sound effects that they have, you'll see that it's a fireplace going on in the background, giving kind of a cozy vibe, allowing people to even sleep better.